Here I have ZYREX ZA987 and let me show you how to enter here the boot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and tap OK to confirm it. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as boot mode pops up. So this is the boot mode. Here you can navigate by using the volume up and confirm options by pressing volume down. Here you can enter recovery, fastboot, or you can choose normal. Let me choose normal to quit the boot mode and enter the home screen, so let's just wait a few seconds. Alright, the home screen pops up, so everything went well. Now you can start using your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.